Morning everybody, how's it going? Today I'm at the Van Life Festival, Stratford and Avon meet, and I've decided that I thought I'd do a kind thing and help out setting out. So this is a very short video of me and our gang of helping Damo out, helping Carl out from Built Not Bought campers, and yeah, so I'm helping out and placing vehicles as best I possibly can. So I know I'm not going to please everybody, well, we're not going to please everyone, but you know, it's going to be a massive meet. So hopefully it's going to be a bit bigger than Camp Quirky, and just as exciting as the Overland show. So this is a small video of me helping out and showing you around, and then at the end there's a band playing, and looking forward to the beer tent. Shouldn't really say that, should I really? Yeah, looking forward to helping out for a couple of days, setting it all up. Oh, the old PC van's kicked in now. So anyway, let's get into it. Well, good morning. As you can see, I've decided to help out. Second day. So this is the display car park, and it is absolutely filling up really fast. I mean, we've just parked about 30 vehicles already this morning. Looks a bit grey up there, but hopefully it's going to be a good day. Right everyone, look at this beast. Stunning. It's only an hour later and we're already ramming them in. Well, this was this morning, and yeah, don't want to see that. Lovely old Talbot Express there. Beautiful. Look at this look. Wow. And 101, that's what it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is the display field. Look at that, look. Nice craft there. Oh, finger in ya. There's Brian on fags already. This is Van Life meet, Van Life Festival. Everyone's getting along, magic. Right guys, guess where I am? I am back in my original Transit. I was just like, fucking well made up. I mean, look. Oh my God, it's just like, oh, I love this fan. I really, really love this fan. To see it back here now, it's just like, it's quite emotional, really. Right, on to the next bit. Awesome, absolutely awesome. I've had so many happy memories in this van, it's unbelievable. Oh dear, wow, I didn't realise that gets me so much. I know it's only a short video, but obviously we're setting up and I can't really film too much because obviously I'm helping out. I have decided, and it's up to you if you want to do, I've started up a Patreon channel. So you can head on over to there. There is a link in the description, well, a link in the corner with a little on the bar there with the Facebook and all that sort of malarkey, Instagram, and there's a Patreon button there. I've put some footage up for patrons only. So if you think I'm worthy of £1.20, I think it is. I set it really, really low. To be fair, I'm still learning. So bear with me. And if you fancy going over there, then that'd be great. So anyway, I'm going to carry on and go and help out again. So I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully I'll have a little bit more footage, possibly in part 2. So thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.